Okay, what are some common mistakes to avoid during a wardrobe spring cleaning? What would be some common mistakes that you would want them to avoid, Alma?
Um, if you reach a point when you're doing your spring cleaning where you like pull it out and you're like fighting with yourself, right? How do I wear this? I might wear this. I don't know. Could I wear it with this? Does it fit right? If you feel yourself fighting with it, get it out. Because if you tend to keep it in there, you're not going to wear with it. And every single time you see that piece, you're going to fight with it again. So either take it out of sight, out of mind, like we said, or get rid of it. If it was the 2013 version of you and not the 2024 version of you, get it out. Get it out, get it out, get it out. You don't want it.
Yeah.
What you want is just clarity. When you open up your closet, the goal is to feel refreshed and inspired. And if it's causing stress,
Why would you?
exactly.